This is the other elevator at the Westmoreland Museum of American Art in Greensburg, Pennsylvania. This is another Eastern elevator with GAL jet plus vandal resistant. Got a 2. Why did it ding twice for going up? I don't get that. Actually, this is elevator number 3. There may be another elevator that I missed. Not the first one I found. Here are 2. I should have been silent for that. Oh well. I'll get a more silent recording of that here at 2nd floor. Back down to 1. ADA phone. This one's bigger than the other elevator. Basic cab, but actually kind of interesting in the back. I don't know what that's doing here. Here, back on 1. Again, just your basic GAL jet plus vandal resistant panel, Eastern elevator. Okay, and that's it.